Adding a video to your WordPress website can greatly enhance user engagement and content presentation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Embedding a video from YouTube or Vimeo. Copy the video URL. Go to YouTube, Vimeo, or another video hosting site and copy the URL of the video you want to embed. Open the WordPress editor. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to the page or post where you want to add the video. Paste the URL. In the WordPress editor, paste the copied URL directly into the content area. WordPress will automatically convert it into an embedded video player. Publish or update. Once you're satisfied, click Publish or Update to save the changes. Uploading a video directly. Go to the Media library. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Media, Add New. Upload the video. Click on Select Files and upload the video from your computer. Insert video into post or page. After uploading, click on Insert into Post to place the video in your content. Publish or update. Save the changes by clicking Publish or Update.